Hello students. Operating system question. The question is, consider the following preemptive priority scheduling algorithm based on dynamically changing priorities. Larger priority numbers imply higher priority. When a process is waiting for the CPU, its priority changes the rate of so the equation has been given: P of t is equals to P of 0 plus A of t A into t to t minus t naught, where t naught is the time at which process joins the ready queue. Similarly, when it is running, its priority changes data rate b. So all the processes are given priority 0 when they enter the ready queue, and the parameters a and b can be set to obtain many different scheduling algorithms. So what is the algorithm that results into from b is greater than a is greater than 0? So which of the following scheduling algorithm will follow this rule? Okay, so it is FCFS, LCFS and SGF, right? So say that there are any three processes P0, P1, P2. Okay, so when they're entering into the ready queue P0, P1, P2, they are given arrival time as 0, 0, 0. All are arriving at 0 only. Okay, but the priorities may be different. Okay, so maybe it has 5, it has 2, it has 1. So this will be having the higher priority, because it is telling the larger priority numbers will have the larger priority. Okay, so the p naught will be having the larger priority, and now their priority will change according to this equation that is given as p of t equals to p of 0 plus a t minus t naught. Okay, so where t naught is the ready, so t naught will be 0. Okay, and p of 0, p0 will be 5 plus what will be the a value? A value you don't know. Okay, so now t will be the time and it will be 0. Okay, so this will be 5 plus 80. Similarly it will go on, and when you are means when the priority, similarly when the priority changes data rate at b. Okay, now the priority is changing at the rate of b. Okay, so that's why you just see that here t naught is the time at which joins the ready queue, right? It is given in the question, this statement has been given in the question. Okay, now say once the process with higher priority starts running, here in this example it is P naught, it will increase at a rate of V, right? Which will be greater than the process waiting in ready queue, right? Okay, so we are not scheduling, means we are not scheduling according to the burst time, right? So when we are not scheduling according to the burst time, then it cannot be the shortest job first. Okay, so SJF and last come first serve is also not important, so only we are left with the FCFS, where the priorities can be priorities can act as a major tool for the preemptive scheduling, right? So it will be preempted according to its priority. But SGF is not, SGF is totally based on the burst time, but we are not scheduling according to the burst time, right? So we are only looking that arrival time is 0 initially and it is increasing at the rate of this one. Okay, and the priority will be including at the rate of b. So whenever we want b should be greater than a should be greater than 0, it will always follow FCFS scheduling algorithm. Okay, therefore our answer is A. Thank you.